How to copy trading on BYBIT. Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how you can copy trading on BYBIT. First thing, you're going to log in into your BYBIT app, and when you're logged in, that is going to take you to the home page. As you are on the home page, you need to go to the ads section and select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit and follow the instruction to transfer funds into your BYBIT account. On the other field, you'll be able to see this sort of page. So here in the copy trading section from the BYBIT home page, and from the BYBIT home page or the app, go to the copy trading section. This might be listed under trade or similar category. In the copy trading section, you'll see a list of available traders you can copy. Each traders will have statistics such as their return on the investment, trading strategies, and risk level as well. You can go ahead and review the performances, trading histories, and strategies of different tradings to find one that matches with your investment goal. Then you could go and select the trader. After that, set a copy trading parameter, that is, set the amount of funds you want to allocate to the copy trading. This could be fixed amount or the percentage of your total balance, and define other parameters such as stop loss, limit, or manage your risk from your end. Start copying. Next, you need to monitor and manage your copying trading. Now, copy trading on BYBIT is a straightforward way to follow a strategy of experienced traders and potentially profits from their expertise. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.